There are moments where something shifts, and I can't tell exactly when it started. It's not the environment. The street is still there. The sound is still there. But the way I'm inside it feels different. Like I'm slightly behind myself, watching instead of being. I keep walking. The movement continues like it always does. But it doesn't feel entirely connected to me. More like something I'm following. Shadow walks ahead for a moment, then beside me again. He hasn't changed. That's the only thing I'm sure of. Everything else feels less fixed. I notice my hands for no reason, the way they move when I walk. It feels unfamiliar, not wrong, just distant. Like I'm seeing it from the outside. The wind moves through the street, cold but not uncomfortable, just present. It passes through everything the same way. Buildings space me, no resistance. I try to focus on something concrete. The sound of footsteps, the weight of each step. But even that feels slightly delayed, like perception arrives after the action. Shadow looks back for a second. That pulls me in. Just enough. Just enough to feel where I am again. Not completely, but enough. We keep moving, and I stay close to that feeling because it's the only thing that still feels real.